Hello everyone, it's Crystal, and this is going to be a little bit different of a video. I was watching Angela from AZ for Angela yesterday, and she was talking about switching out her winter handbag for her spring and summer handbag, and she was switching it into a Vera Bradley pattern. So I decided I was going to do a little video and show you what my favorite handbags are. Some of them spring and summer, some of them fall and winter, but my favorites, and several of them are Vera Bradley's. So if you don't know what Vera Bradley is, they are a company that was probably started close to 20 years ago by two women, and they are fabric quilted handbags, and they are washable, like with Woolite, or you can sponge wash them off, and they are excellent quality. They last forever. They tend to be a little expensive, probably for like the bag, the wallet, and the makeup bag, close to $80, but they do last a long time. So I just wanted to show you my Vera Bradley purses and then talk about my other favorite handbags. So the first one you see here before you is the pattern Sherbert. And I've probably had this I can't remember, 8 years probably. And it's in this pattern I have the small makeup bag. And then I have the tote. And it's just like a little loop closure at the top. And then the inside is really pretty. So there's the first one. And this is called Sherbert. I'm going to move them out of the way as I go. I'm in my spare bedroom here today, so my guest bedroom that hardly ever gets used. So the next one I have here is called Red Bandana, and I've probably had this one close to 4 or 5 years, and this pattern is no longer available, and neither was the other one, the Sherbert. And in this one I have the zip-around wallet, the medium-sized makeup bag, and the purse. I don't remember the name of the style of the purse, but it's really awesome because it has like these little cinched pockets over here on both sides. It's got a magnetic closure, and then when you flip it open, it has a big inside pocket, and it's got these two outside pockets, one here and one here. Perfect for your phone. My iPhone fits perfect there, and my keys. So this one, Red Bandana, another set. And then I'm going to move on to my other favorite one here. This one, I'm sorry if this is really shaky, but I'm not used to holding it and trying to film. This one, I can't remember the name of it. This one was probably 4 or 5 years ago also. Well, maybe not that long. Maybe 3 years ago. I think it's something Paisley, but I'm not positive. But in that one I have the zip-around wallet, the medium makeup bag, and this purse is the same exact style as the other one with the two little cinched pockets, the flap, and the two front pockets, and the inside. And I love how pretty their insides of their bags are. So there's this one. And next I have, this is one of my older ones also. I've had this one quite a while. Probably couldn't even tell you how long, but it's been a really long time. I know definitely this pattern is no longer available. This is called the Americana pattern, and in this one I have the zip-around wallet, the medium makeup bag, and then the large tote that has the little loop closure. And I'll try to show you inside of it. It's dark, but you can see a little bit in there. Vera Bradley is just such beautiful things, and I wish that I could afford to buy everything that comes out every year, but that's impossible. Okay, this pattern right here, I do not know the name of it. I bought it probably 2 or 3 years ago. It was on sale, so I purchased it. It's not my favorite pattern, but I do have luggage that matches it. I think it matches this one. And so I have the zip-around wallet, the small coin purse, and then I have this big like tote bag kind of thing that's got 2 pockets on the outside. And then it's got 2 straps in the inside. I don't like this purse as much because the straps they're very like stiff. So it's really, really hard to maneuver that. Molly! Molly! Sorry, my dog is barking. Okay, my next Vera Bradley and my last handbag from them, because I sold a bunch last year at a garage sale, is my most recent one I bought last summer. And this one is in the pattern Symphony in Hue, and it is still available and discounted. It's probably going to be retired soon, this pattern. And this one is a magnetic closure. It's got the 2 pockets on the outside. It's got a big inside, and in there I have a medium makeup bag. And I have 2 different wallets because I bought the 2 wallets that were available because I wasn't sure which one I wanted. I bought like the regular like kiss lock one, and then the regular zip around one. So that one's there. And this one's called Symphony and Hue. And I do have the luggage set that matches this one, which is awesome. Because when I travel, I'm going on vacation in May. And I'm going to use this purse and my luggage that matches it. And I do all carry-ons because I don't actually trust the airlines to not lose my luggage. So those are my Vera Bradley ones. I am going to do a video later when it's closer time to our trip. Do a little video showing you how I pack my things. And you'll get to see that luggage set. Next, one of my favorites is this little like crossbody bag and little wristlet from Coach. And I got this at the Coach outlet in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We had gone on a vacation there a couple years back. And they had a Coach outlet there at the outlet mall. And I bought the little bag and the little wristlet. It's awesome for just going out at night. You don't have to worry about taking a lot of stuff with you. It is small, but I love it. Then I have this Coach bag that I actually bought at a flea market. So it's probably not real. But I do like it. It's a crossbody also. And this little clutch matches it. This one I hope is real since I did buy it at an actual Coach store. But this one's really awesome. I love that one. This next set is a 31 set. If you've never heard of 31, they're a company. It's really hard to see it. I'm sorry, it's dark. And they're fabric handbags also. My cousin actually sells them, so I get them from her. And this is like a crossbody. And then this is the wallet that matches it. It's like a big wallet that matches it. Then, I'm going to move on over here and show you some more of my favorites. I have this one, and I've had this forever. And it's called the Sack. And it's just a regular, like woven kind of handbag. It's got a magnet closure, and it's got a really nice inside. And it's got a matching makeup bag with it. So there's that one. One of my other favorites. This one is one of my all-time favorites. It's a Tommy Hilfiger bag, and I just love it. I love the pattern on it. Love the colors. It's got a really nice deep pocket in the front, and it's got it's like separated inside. Awesome. That one I got like super cheap. Okay, I love Fossil brand products. This is one of my favorite Fossil bags. This is a crossbody bag. This is like a magnet closure here. And my phone fits in there perfectly. Then it's got a zipper pocket here and here. I keep my keys in this zipper pocket and my gum in this one. And then it's got a pocket on the back. And then it unzips, and it's just really nice. I really like it. I've had this one probably for 4 or 5 years. It's lasted wonderfully. Fossil products are awesome. They tend to be a little bit expensive too. This was probably $60, but I really love it. Then the other Fossil item that I have is this other black leather bag. It's got 2 side pockets. It's got like the cinched top and then a really big inside, which you can't see because it's dark. It looks like there's a umbrella in there. Nice. Okay, next I have this bag I ordered from QVC this past year, and it's from the Isaac Mizrahi line, and it's like it's not leather, it's more like a pleather kind of material, but I really loved the colors of it, and it's a nice big bag. It has beautiful interior, which is like hot pink. Isn't that pretty? And then it's got pockets on the outside, both sides. It's just awesome. I love it. It is an awesome purse. Love it, love it, love it. Got that purse, and then I have the matching wallet. And I think this set was like $60 for the 2 pieces. But it's awesome. It's good quality. Then the last of my favorites is another 31 bag. And it is, I don't even know the name of this pattern. I think it was like black paisley or something. And it is a big bag. It's got a huge inside. It has 2 outside pockets, 1 and 2. And then I have the big, huge makeup bag that goes with it. And the nice big wallet that goes with it. And I have another 31 purse that I'm carrying right now, but I didn't bring it in here with me. It's not my favorite, so I'm not going to show it as my favorites. But anyway, this is just a few of my purses that I wanted to share with you. Look at this big, huge pile over here. And this one. I hope that you guys will make a video with your favorites because I would love to see it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.